This video is an overview of the Midmark Dental Chair Collision Protection System, including how it works and how to resolve alerts. Always refer to the appropriate technical documentation for the complete list of instructions, safety alerts, and sequence of procedures before conducting any service or maintenance operations. Midmark dental chairs are equipped with collision protection to prevent damage to personnel or equipment. If a chair cover hits an obstacle as it is lowering, the chair stops and raises slightly to disengage contact and allow the obstacle to be removed. The chair also emits a beeping sound until the control button is released. Then, normal operation can resume. For more information about your chair, refer to the Midmark Dental Chair User Guide.